Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Abby. I am a spiritual intuitive, and in today's video, we are talking about the chakras. So for today's video, it's just going to be a brief overview of the chakras and what they are, a little background on the chakras because I plan on making videos on each chakra and going in depth on each one. So this video is just a quick overview. So chakras come from ancient Indian traditions, and the word chakra actually means wheel or disc in Sanskrit. The chakras were first mentioned in the Vedas, some of the oldest spiritual texts in the world, dating back over 3,000 years. The concept really took shape in tantric teachings between the 6th and 10th century. Fast forward to today, chakras are a big part of yoga, meditation, and energy healing practices around the world. Chakras are believed to be energy centers in our body. Not the physical body exactly, but the subtle or energetic body. There are 7 main chakras running from the base of the spine all the way to the top of the head. Each chakra is connected to a different part of the body, different emotions, and different spiritual themes. They're often described using different colors, kind of like a rainbow, running up the spine. When life force energy flows freely throughout your chakras, you'll feel balanced, healthy, and grounded. But if a chakra is blocked or out of balance, you'll experience physical and emotional tension. People use all kinds of tools to balance their chakras. You can use yoga, Reiki, breath work, meditation, sound healing, crystals. So whether you see chakras as energy hubs or powerful symbols of self-awareness, they offer a meaningful way to explore your body, mind, and spirit. The 7 main chakras are, starting at the root with the first chakra, there's the root, the sacral, the solar plexus, the heart, the throat, the third eye, and the crown. Now, there are many chakras throughout our body, but for now, we will be focusing on the main 7. And for my next video, I will be going over the root chakra. What are the signs, emotional or physical, that this energy is out of balance, how it becomes blocked or out of balance, and what you can do to balance this chakra. Like I said, I'll be making a video on each individual chakra. I think that it's important that each chakra gets the appropriate amount of time to cover everything that is important for you to know about each chakra so that you know the signs and can recognize if one of your chakras is out of balance. Well, that concludes this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, you can share it with a friend, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss whenever I post a new video. Thanks again for watching. See you next time. Bye.